Hey there, fitness adventurers and relationship builders. Welcome back to Fitness Marketing 101. I'm Andrew, your host, and today we're diving into a strategy that's not only exciting, well, in my view anyway, but also has the potential to turbocharge your business, and that's through collaboration and partnerships. In the vast landscape of fitness marketing, we don't have to navigate it alone. Collaboration and networking are your compasses to connect, learn, and expand your reach. And to help you out, here's some great examples of successful fitness collaborations. Firstly, athlete and nutritionist partnerships. Collaborations between professional athletes and nutritionists or dietitians can demonstrate how a tailored diet complements their training routines. Now, these partnerships can emphasize the importance of proper nutrition for peak performance. Secondly, celebrity trainer and fitness app collaborations. Now, celebrity trainers teaming up with a fitness app developer can create workout programs accessible to anybody. Now, these collaborations often attract a broad audience and they can showcase the effectiveness of the app. Third example, gym and healthy food delivery services. Gyms collaborating with healthy food delivery services can offer post-workout meal plans for their members. Now, this partnership promotes convenience and, of course, reinforces the importance of nutrition in fitness. Fourth example, fitness studio and technology company collaborations. Studios collaborating with tech companies to integrate wearable fitness trackers and apps in the classes make a lot of sense. Now, these partnerships highlight the use of technology to enhance your workouts. Fifth example, health and wellness retreats with celebrity chefs. Retreats led by wellness experts and celebrity chefs offering a combination of fitness activities and gourmet healthy meals. Again, these collaborations create holistic wellness experiences. Each of these examples showcases the power of collaboration within the fitness industry and how working together can benefit both parties and, of course, their audiences. So how do we do that? Firstly, step one, identify potential partners. Who in the industry or related fields can complement your services? So I'd look for PTs, nutritionists, wellness coaches, even fitness equipment brands. These partnerships amplify your brand. And to assist you here, putting out together now a simple guide to finding the right partner for you. First of all, set clear goals. Before you set sail, know your destination. Define your collaboration goals. So, do you want to reach a new audience? Perhaps you wish to share your expertise, or are you ultimately looking to create exciting content? Secondly, know your audience. Understand your audience's interests. Who do they admire in the fitness world? So identify what types of collaborations would excite them. Thirdly, research the landscape. Explore the fitness world and look for individuals or businesses whose values and audiences align with yours. Fourthly, connect and reach out. Now you engage with potential partners on social media, attend fitness events, and network within your industry. Send friendly messages expressing your interest in collaborating with them. And when doing that, make sure you share your ideas and how it can benefit both you and them as well as their audience. By following these steps, you'll, I feel, be well on your way to finding the perfect fitness partner for your journey, making your adventures in this exciting world of fitness marketing even more successful. Okay, step two, define mutual benefits. Successful collaborations are a win-win. So identify what each party brings to the table and how your collaboration serves both yours and, more importantly, their audience. It could be shared exposure, it could be cross-promotion, or even joint events. So here's a simplified explanation of the importance of mutual benefits in collaborations for fitness pros. So picture it like setting sail with a fellow captain on a shared fitness journey. In collaborations, both parties should win, and here's why that's vital. Firstly, expanding reach. When you collaborate, you're introducing each other to your audiences. This enables you to reach much more people. Secondly, it combines strengths. Everybody brings something to the table. It's like having one crewmate who's a great cook whilst another who's a skilled navigator. Together, you're going to cover much more ground. Thirdly, builds trust. Collaborating shows you trust each other's expertise, or it is, relying on your crewmates during rough seas. This trust will extend to your audiences. Fourth, sharing resources. Whether it's time, skills, or resources, collaborations make things easier. It's pooling your supplies for a much smoother voyage. Fifth, creating unique content. Combining your talents often leads to something special. Six, sparks excitement. Collaborations generate buzz and excitement. It's like having a crew that's thrilled about the journey ahead, and this excitement ultimately is contagious. Seven, learning and growth. You're going to learn from each other. It's like picking up new navigation techniques from a seasoned sailor. So believe me, collaborations will help you grow. Eight, long-term connections. Successful collaborations can lead to lasting partnerships. It's like finding that sailor who becomes a lifelong friend on your fitness journey. So in a nutshell, collaborations within the fitness environment are like sailing together towards that shared destination. You ultimately both benefit from the journey, you both expand your horizons, or you create something remarkable while strengthening that bond with your audience. Step 3, leverage online and offline platforms. Collaborations can happen both in person as well as online. From hosting joint workshops and classes to co-creating content and challenges on social media, make sure you explore a variety of platforms. Again, to give you a helping hand, here are examples of successful online and offline collaborations for fitness professionals. Firstly, we'll look at online collaborations. First one, online workshop with a nutritionist. Partnering with a nutritionist for an online webinar or workshop can provide comprehensive health advice covering both fitness as well as nutrition. It's like offering a full package of wellness expertise to your audience. Social media takeovers. Why not collaborate with other fitness influencers for a day or even week-long takeover of each other's social media accounts? This exposes your content to new audiences and can boost engagement. One I really like, podcast interviews. Appear as a guest on each other's podcasts. This cross-promotion expands your reach in the podcasting world, as well as introduces your expertise to a new array of listeners. Or maybe you think of co-authoring ebooks or guides, partnering with another fitness expert to create an ebook or guide. Doing so, this both contributes your knowledge, making it a valuable resource to both audiences. Next up, let's look at offline collaborations. First option, group fitness classes. Why not host joint fitness classes or boot camps with another trainer at a local park or fitness studio? What this does, it brings together your clients as well as theirs, creating a greater sense of community. Another option, health and wellness workshops. Collaborate with a nutritionist, therapist, or wellness coach to host workshops that cover both physical and mental health topics. This holistic approach can attract a diverse audience. Another I like, charity fitness events. Organising fitness challenges and events like a 5K run, fitness fair, along with other fitness professionals. This not only promotes health, of course, but also supports a good cause. Another popular one is fitness retreats. And this is where you partner with a yoga instructor, a meditation coach, or even a chef to host wellness retreats in picturesque locations. These retreats offer a complete wellness experience. Local business partnerships is another. Collaborate with local businesses like healthy restaurants or even fitness equipment or clothing stores. That way you can include exclusive discounts, promotions, which ultimately help each other. These examples, both of online and offline, can help fitness professionals reach new heights in their careers whilst providing valuable experiences to their clients and audiences. Step 4, communicate clearly. Effective communication is the foundation. So make sure you outline your goals, expectations, and roles from the beginning. A well-defined plan ensures your collaboration is seamless as well as successful. As I say, clear communication is the compass that keeps this on course. It helps build trust, prevents confusion, and empowers both you as well as your clients. With it, you can tackle challenges, foster teamwork, and track progress effectively, which ultimately achieves better results and a smoother journey. Step 5, cross-promotion. Both parties should actively promote the collaboration. So make sure you share each other's content, events, and offers across your platforms, because this exposes your brand to a wider, much more engaged audience. Cross-promotion in collaborations expands your reach as I say, it gets out to a much wider audience. So by endorsing each other's content and services, you're essentially creating a win-win scenario, which ultimately will help you gain more followers, clients, as well as credibility. I feel it's a strategic way to boost visibility and trust, all while sharing the spotlight and the rewards of the services that you offer. Step 6, create impactful content. Collaborations provide a unique opportunity to create that engaging content that resonates with both audience. So whether it's co-hosted webinars, joint workout videos, or co-authored articles, the possibilities really are endless. But again, to help you out, here's a couple of examples of what I feel are impactful collaborative content that fitness professionals can create together. First up, a fitness challenge showdown. Two personal trainers can challenge each other to a friendly fitness competition. They document their workouts, their progress, and their healthy routines, which engages their audiences and encourages participation. Next up, nutrition and workout fusion. A fitness expert collaborates with a nutritionist to create a series of videos or articles that demonstrate the synergy between a balanced diet and effective workouts. So you could provide meal plans, recipes, and tailored workouts to emphasize the importance of both aspects in achieving fitness goals. Okay, step 7, measure and reflect. After your collaboration, measure its impact. Did you gain new followers? Did you gain subscribers or even new clients? Reflect on what worked well and what could be improved for future partnerships. Now, it's crucial to measure for several reasons. Firstly, it provides tangible evidence of whether the collaboration achieved its goals, such as expanding your audience or increasing engagement. Now, this data helps you assess the effectiveness of your efforts, meaning that you can adjust your strategies accordingly, ensuring you can make the most of future collaborations. Secondly, measuring outcomes enables you to showcase the value of the collaboration to your audience, to your partners, as well as potential sponsors. This not only builds trust and credibility, but also opens doors for more opportunities. So collaboration and networking aren't just about expanding your reach, they're about forming relationships that benefit both you as well as your partners. So when you collaborate, you're creating that ripple effect of positive connections. So there you have it, the steps to leveraging collaboration and networking to ultimately expand your fitness reach and create impactful long-term partnerships. Now, if you found this episode valuable and inspiring, please take a moment to show your support. So hit that thumbs up if you liked it, leave a comment below and share your thoughts, because as always, I'd love to hear your stories as well as your experiences. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any upcoming episodes, which, as always, will be packed with fitness marketing insights as well as much needed motivation. In the next episode, we're actually wrapping up our Fitness Marketing 101 journey, and we do that by discussing how to refine your marketing strategy, adapt to changes, and ensure lasting growth in your fitness business. So hopefully you'll join me there, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.